Alrighty guys, what do y'all think? Y'all hear that noise? Yes, 5.7 liter Hemi. Hemi tick? Exhaust noise? What y'all think? Well, they want it fixed, damn it. 160,000 miles. Now, y'all know the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this plenum and take that oil control valve off. If I see any aluminum shavings all over that oil control valve, yeah, I refuse to try to repair this. At that point, I'm gonna recommend an engine, because as you know, it's extremely risky to try to repair. The traditional repair for this noise is a camshaft and all the lifters, or rocker lifters. All right, but if you got metal shavings on that damn oil control valve, scratch that. All right, you need an engine. So let me start turning this thing down, see what I come up with. Y'all stay tuned.